that there's a lot of places where you have the handwritten in black.
Yes.
And that's your channeling her thoughts and writing messages and things.
All of
But
it.
I think it would be good if you describe that a little bit more through the book, because you read a passage, which is great, or maybe a couple of them, but
I read the whole thing.
I wondered, what are those, you know?
Yeah. I read the entire book. Everything that is written here in black.
All right,
That was all that I was reading to you
okay.
that she said. This other are the historic documents that I embedded beneath the pages. And you see that painting? Can you see it?
I like that.
Yeah.
It kind of, it's just, you turn the page just a little bit and you'll see it. And they have these bodies throughout. Or her, when you get to the one where I said, she said, when she's talking to him and she said, dance with your mama sometimes. You see, dance with your sister too.
Maybe just even a statement saying that you're reading all of it
So,
through somehow,
all
or
of
something,
the-
I don't know.
Yeah. So they're buried beneath each page. That's the part in documents.